This module is very much important because here we will be discussing about what are stateful widgets. In the earlier sessions, we were very used to stateless widget. We also created our own stateless widget by the name of home screen. But definitely in a real world application, there might be a lot of scenarios where we will have to use a stateful widget. Before going into stateful widget, you might be thinking, what is a state? So a state is just a value or a piece of data in our application. Anything that can change, like a counter count, text, color, etc., can be a part of a state. State means data. In your application, just assume a state of username, that is what are his or her skills. Flutter, Firebase, these are all state. What is the color of the app? Blue, that is also a state. A stateful widget is simply a widget whose internal data will change on some action. That is, button is clicked and then text color should be changed, or there should be some kind of animation. In that case, that widget is refreshed and rebuilt with the new data. This is not possible in stateless widget. So theoretically you have understood, but definitely while we are working on in our code, you might have a lot of doubts, and let's clear it one by one. So I will just again remove all the data, but before removing all the data, I would like to have a new screen. That is, home is okay, it's a stateless widget, but I would like to have suppose contact dot. We have the screen. Now let's create our first stateful widget screen. Then now first we have to import material as usual. Then create a class and name I will name is contact, and then extend it to stateful widget. Okay, then it will have some missing overrides, and this is like this is the create state. Stateful widget will have two classes. One is the stateful, which extends the stateful, and the second one is the state class that extends it. So here you can simply return, suppose I will name it contact state. This will again be a widget. I will create this contact state. It will extends a state. Which will have this name. And then now here again there will be missing override. It is the build, and now you are familiar with this build thing. I will simply return scaffold here. So this is the bare minimum or the skeleton of a stateful widget. So you might be thinking, oh no, I don't want to write this again and again. In that case, you might need some extensions. Like here, I have these awesome Flutter snippets. Then you will definitely have Dart and Flutter in it. With these awesome Flutter snippets, we get a lot of shortcuts. One of the shortcuts is to create a stateful widget directly. So I will just remove all this. The shortcut key is STF, that is Flutter stateful widget, and then I will just click enter and I will name it contact. To see, this is done. We don't have to do anything with this shortcut. And what is that state? Here I will have this string name is equal to guest. Suppose this guest name is a state which we will change later on and show you how how the screen rebels and how the UI changes upon any action we do. In the next video we will be continuing from here. So till then, enjoy and practice your best. Thank you.